Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review the Earth Rhythm Passion Fruit Cold Pressed Oil, and this retails for Rs 499 and you get 15 ml of the product, and this comes inside this beautiful peachy orange kind of bottle, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And if you want to know my reviews about this cold pressed oil, then please continue watching this video. This is an anti-aging oil and it also helps in healing the dry skin that you may have. And this passion fruit oil also helps in protecting your skin from the sun tan. Passion fruit oil is humectant in nature, having the correct proportions of vitamin C and phosphorus. This oil has got anti-inflammatory benefits for your skin, and this is a magical cure for your skin conditions like acne and rashes. This oil is blended with healing properties and it penetrates deep into your skin and it soothes your skin, and it also helps in deeply moisturizing your skin, and you can easily get rid of the dry skin issues that you may have. The passion fruit cold pressed oil also helps in healing the chapped or the cracked skin. The antioxidants present inside this oil, they actually help in reducing the skin irritation, the itching of skin, and they bring back the irreversible glow on your skin. And this bottle contains 100% organic cold pressed passion fruit oil. I would always recommend you to go ahead with a patch test before you start using any skincare ingredient. And this is a very lightweight oil. It gets absorbed into the skin quickly. It does not make your skin heavy or oily or greasy. I really love the fact that this is a supremely lightweight oil. It gives you a very healthy glow on your skin, and it helps in issues like dry skin. And my skin has been loving this oil, especially during the winter season when my skin has become slightly drier. This oil has helped me in moisturizing my skin perfectly during the winter season. I especially love this oil because of its lightweight nature, and I do think that this oil is also going to work during the summer season because this is a very lightweight oil. What you can do is that you can apply a facial mist or use a toner, and then you can take a few drops, just a tiny amount of this oil, because a little of this product goes a long way. You can just take a few drops of this oil and warm it in your palms and then gently dab it on your skin, and this is a perfect moisturizer. And this oil is supposed to be applied before applying your moisturizer. This is an amazing product with no harsh ingredients, and it is very effective in moisturizing your dry skin. I really love this oil because it gives me a very healthy glow on my skin, and I really love this oil, and I do recommend this oil to all of you, especially if you have got dry skin. This oil definitely helps in improving the texture of your skin, and it also imparts a very natural, subtle glow on your face. Passion fruit oil is a natural source of vitamin A and C, and this is a 100% organic product, so you're actually staying away from any chemicals inside this oil. And passion fruit oil is especially beneficial for you if you have got aging, oily or mature type of skin. Passion fruit oil is full of essential nutrients that are very beneficial for your skin, like vitamin A and C, and essential fatty acids, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium and carotenoids. And this oil also helps against the environmental aggressors. And because of the high vitamin C and antioxidant content inside this oil actually helps you in achieving a more healthy and glowy looking skin. This oil helps in making your skin look a lot more firm and youthful, and this oil is also helpful in reducing the fine lines and wrinkles because this oil does contain vitamin A in the form of carotenoids. Because of the high content of fatty acids inside this oil, your skin looks a lot more plump and beautiful. This oil is very light and non-greasy, and your skin quickly drinks it up. This oil has got non-clogging moisturizing action on your skin. This is a moisturizer for all skin types, including oily skin types. If you have got oily skin types, then you can easily go ahead and try out this oil, since it is a very lightweight oil and it is not going to make your skin feel greasy or sticky. I really love this oil, and I do recommend this oil to all of you if you're looking for good 100% organic cold pressed oil which has got moisturizing properties for your skin and which can heal your skin and give you that subtle glow on your skin. Then I think you should definitely go ahead and try out this product. And this 15 ml bottle is going to last you for a very long time, as you just require 1 to 2 drops for entire face and neck area. I love using this oil and I highly recommend this oil to everyone out there. This is a very lightweight oil. It makes your skin very smooth and plump, and I didn't love this oil because it provides intense moisturization to my skin, especially during this winter months, and I do love this oil and I do recommend this oil to all of you. This oil does not contain any harsh chemicals and it is free of all the nasty ingredients, so you're actually getting 100% organic cold pressed oil inside this bottle. So if you're looking for a good organic oil that can heal your skin, that can moisturize your skin and give you a subtle glow, then I think you should definitely try out this product. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.